How to schedule Lyft in advance. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to schedule Lyft in advance. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Lyft introduced a way for its riders to schedule rides in advance. First, launch the Lyft application on your iPhone or Android phone. Type in your scheduled destination under Where Are You Going tab. Once you have selected your destination, tap Schedule right above the Select Lyft button. Next, make sure your pickup location is accurate and further tap on the Confirm Pickup button. Now, select the date and time you wish to schedule your Lyft ride by toggling through the options. You can schedule a Lyft up to a week in advance. A driver will come pick you up within 10 minutes of your scheduled time. Make sure your pickup location, date and time, and type of Lyft are correct before tapping Schedule. If so, tap Schedule and Pay. You can cancel or update your scheduled ride at any time before you are matched with a driver without a fee. So, this is how you can schedule Lyft in advance. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.